experience, or actually, we probably experience a lot of failure sa ating leadership journey. But what makes Jack Ma different is that ina-admit niya yung failure niya na yon. And as leaders, di ba, the higher the position, the higher the responsibility. So kapag may mga failures na nangyayari, you should be accountable for that. Hindi yung magtuturo-turo ka na kasalanan mo to kasi ganito, kasalanan mo to kasi ganyan. It will affect the people around us. Kapag palagi tayong nag-point fingers, kapag nag-blame tayo ng other people, whenever there are things that did not go the way we planned it. Sabi ni Jack Ma, only those people daw who admit their problems succeed. Kasi andun yung awareness mo na may problema. So ano ang dapat mong gawin? Ano ang dapat nating gawin? Right? Alright, so introduction pa lang po yun. We're done with introduction. Now we will proceed with Module 1 before we go on lunch, no? We'll proceed with Module 1, significance of developing emotional intelligence in leadership. So kanina, pinag-aralan natin ano nga ba yung emotional intelligence. Pinag-aralan natin ano-ano nga ba itong mga emotions, no? Na nakaka-apekto sa behavior natin. And now, we will proceed to the significance of developing emotional intelligence in leadership. Bilang sinasabi nga natin na may connection ang emotions at leadership. So in this module, you will be able to appreciate the value of being self-aware about our own emotional intelligence, and we will learn how to strengthen emotional intelligence will steer organizational relationships and performance. Before we delve deeper into that, let me ask you once again question. Actually, how important is emotional intelligence to you? On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest and the most important, rate the significance of strengthening the application of emotional intelligence sa ating mga trabaho. Gaano nga ba kahalaga na ma-strengthen natin yung emotional intelligence na yan? Yung application rather ng emotional intelligence sa ating mga trabaho. 10, 9, 8, and alright, maraming salamat, nakakatuwa talaga, no? Mag-lunch time na tayo, pero andun pa rin yung level of engagement ninyo and energy ninyo sa pagsagot sa chat box natin. I'm very grateful sa set ng participants natin na ito kasi napaka-active nila. Feel free lang to share yung mga thoughts ninyo, no? Kung may mga experiences kayo, feel free to share sa chat box natin, no? Kasi mas natututo lalo. Hindi naman din, porket nandito ako, sa akin lang kayo matututo. Matututo din kayo sa mga experiences ng ibang mga participants natin. Minsan nga, kadalasan nga, ang gaganda ng mga experiences na na-share ng ating mga participants. Ayan, 10. So kung i-average ko, almost 10, no? Mga 9.8, ganun. 9.8 yung inyong rating